Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is tonight's free analysis. I just got done filming for the other one, and it's gonna be quick. We have some pretty good setups. Well, not really. Like, there's really not any setups yet because of the amount of movement that prices already went. Yesterday, I actually, when I say yesterday, I mean New York session on Monday. I caught the buy up for Euro USD on here, and I caught the buy up for GBP USD on here. So we're looking at continued movement into that bullish area. We still have, if I go to the 4 hour chart real quick, we still have some room because of it breaking up here. But usually when we have a new high, you guys know what follows, and that is a new low. So a couple things could happen. And on top of that, there is a bunch of news. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me share this screen. One sec. We'll go to here. So if we show you the news, you guys need to know this. Pop-ups, man. Gotta love pop-ups. High impact news at 1 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time for the GBP and the Euro. Euro at 2:15. Euro at 2:30. Euro at 3 o'clock. Uh, GBP at 3:30. USD at 8:45 a.m. Now I'm Central Standard Time, so if you're Eastern, add an hour. If you're PST, take away 2 hours, right? So a lot of setups could potentially come from this, but I would be careful in the markets because of what is going to happen. With that being said, Euro USD, because of the structure break and the continued move up to form a new high, there's only a couple things I'm looking for. I'm either looking for it to simply pull back and go up, or what I think you guys should wait for is some sort of consolidation pattern like this, which would be a what? Bullish wedge continuation, or some sort of move where it goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, and we have a bullish flag, which leads to a stop hunt low, rise, or depending on what with the news, this thing might wick real quick and then go up. Either way, we're waiting for something to happen in this area so that we can look for the potential buy up. Now, if news ends up taking that away, that's fine. There's a whole another week ahead of us. You know what I mean? It's only Monday going into Tuesday, so we have plenty of time. So I'm going to be looking to take it up into this area if it decides to make that move. If not, I miss it and I'll come back the next day. GBP USD is similar, kind of. It has like the same direction. They're both bullish. EU and GU are both bullish. So what I'm going to say is you're going to wait for the same exact thing. These patterns are powerful. Learn to study bullish wedges. These breakaways, right? Learn to study bearish wedges where price breaks down. Learn to study triangles where price stop hunts high and drops, or stop hunts low to get supply and demand and rises, right? These are very easy patterns to trade, and they do it every time there is a new high or low. Now that we have the new high set here, now we're going to wait. What pattern is going to show up? Because I can tell you right now, price is not going to continue. It's not just going to rise. It's not just going to drop perfectly and go up. Like, it is going to consolidate. It's going to trap traders, induce you to take sells and buys. They're going to find out which one got the most, and they're going to go that direction. So, but I can tell you right now, they're more bullish at the moment than they are bearish. And I think we are going to see it continue to be bearish overall on a higher time frame because it is due for that, but it does also due for a pullback. It needs to shoot up a little bit more. We have that 50 EMA that needs to go retest the 4 hour. Looks like it needs to go and hit this 400, the 200 EMA on here, and potentially go a little bit higher, maybe retest this high and the supply that's within it, and then we could see that drop. It's getting ready for some sort of reset or consolidation, but regardless, I'm looking for another push up and then a push back down. And then as for USDJPY, let's see. I said I would not be touching these pairs due to the fact that, or not just the pairs, but this one, because of the fact that it hasn't set up yet. This is not the patterns that I look for. It did have a nice push down yesterday for a bullish or a bearish drop, which is great, but it is not the setup that I'm looking for. And I highly suggest you guys don't trade it as well. just stick to the EU and GU and maybe some of the other base pairs. There are a couple other ones that look really good. So do your due diligence, and everyone enjoy your trading week. Be sure to use proper risk management and don't get caught up in the news and the hype. And here's a little tip for you. If you are feeling that you are about to miss out on the trade, like you're seeing price move very fast and something is calling you to enter, like you're going to miss out, that is what they want you to feel. That is the inducement trap. That is what all retail traders who don't know how to control their emotions and don't know market structure get trapped in it. They let the impulse of the market moving very fast make their decisions for them and they get screwed. So if you find yourself feeling like you're about to miss out or you're missing out currently, fuck it. Like, don't worry about it. That's them trying to induce that feeling into you so that you make an emotional choice and end up in the wrong direction. Wait for the move to play out because the pattern will show. With that being said, everyone have a great night. Let's crush this week. Peace out.